making a really delicious 4-ingredient Ferrero Rocher. So this is a vegan recipe, and what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way Triple Choc Fudge Vegan Protein Powder. I've got some dark chocolate which I've chopped up. This is a refined sugar-free coconut sugar sweetened chocolate. However, you could use whichever chocolate of your choice. I've got some chopped hazelnuts which I'm going to use to garnish the chocolate ganache with, and then I've got some whole hazelnuts which I'm going to place in the center of the ganache, and I've also got some full-fat coconut milk. So to make this recipe, I'm simply going to pour the coconut milk into a pan and place it on the stove on medium heat, allow that to steam, and then once the coconut milk is nice and warm, I'm going to simply pour it into the bowl of chopped chocolate and mix that up with a scoop of the Happy Way chocolate protein. Mix that up until it's nice and smooth, and then place it into the fridge to set until it's nice and firm. So once I've got a nice firm ganache, I'm simply going to scoop it out and roll it into balls with a hazelnut in the center. And then I'm going to roll those chocolate ganache balls in the chopped hazelnuts, and they'll be ready to serve.